What's up, YouTube? Welcome in. If I take a trade, you all will know it. Let's get rolling. Good morning. I feel great today. How's everyone doing? This is my top setup down here, everyone. I'm watching for a bounce. My favorite setup of the day. If we break below the bottom of the Grizzology zone, though, it'll be invalid. But I really like this level. Jonas, I turned off the trend for Grizzology because I'm not trading a trend right now. Trend entries have been allowing for more drawdown in the current market, and it's not really, eval friendly. So I'm just gonna trade supply and demand until we get some trend formed on the hourly again, preferably to the upside. Oh yeah, rode the contracts. Jack is still being built, or still being finished. Didn't get to do a whole lot of testing, but it is almost done completely. So once it's done, testing doesn't take long. Sipping some coffee, hanging out with you all. No trades open right now. I'm not for sure. Maybe your settings. Oh, I wasn't. Yesterday, I wasn't distracted by you all. I was just distracted by talking. So, I mean, it was my fault. I was distracted. So nothing against you all, YouTube. Apologize if it came across that way. I usually don't get upset. I allowed myself to get a little upset yesterday. There you go. Just take advantage of me, Nance. I see how it is. I see how it is, Nance. I know you're joking. Kick a man when he's down, huh? Hopefully we get this bounce. That zone below is the only thing I'm watching, everyone. That's my top setup. Are you referring to what I was talking about, Martinez, during the IG live? Push on down for us. It may bounce off the 800 for a minute, but I want to dip below. Greg just caught that whole move down in Team Bull. Nice. Come on, give us that. This could confirm a little bit above our zone, but we'll wait. Kind of like a little bit higher than what Grisology had created, but we'll see. Excuse me. Come on. Uh-oh. What a sell-off. Do we have some news? I mean, did we have any? Oh, makes sense. Hope it doesn't invalidate the zone. What is ES doing? Take a look in front of me here. Well, I was wanting a little more confirmation there. I was afraid to catch that falling knife. It's alright if we push down, everyone. I know Grisology had this zone here, but I'm watching something else personally. So if we invalidate this, I still see a possible trade, so stick around. But I will wait on confirmation. I will not enter before. I have the trend off, Paula. That's all. Not interested in trend. All right, everyone, starting to set up. We are starting to set up for what I'm looking for. I'll let you know if I enter. Turn on the wicks. I'm gonna turn on the close below that for this trade, everyone. Patience, everyone. No trades open. No trades. Wait on confirmation. Wait on close of the candle. I just sell them back off. There was no trade to be made there. We haven't, no confirmation yet. I'll let you know as soon as I get in a trade, though, everyone. The market heard me talking about how trend was not working lately. Today it printed. Oh yeah, Team Boy, I'm here. No trades yet. I'm waiting on confirmation. If I take a trade, I'll let you go know. Just focused.
Hey guys, we're approaching a daily level on QQQ 473.73.
See, I turned off the trend entry because trend has not been having much follow through. I just simply you can turn that off here. You turn it back on. Let's see. Yeah, right there, confirmed. We still have a nice zone on ES for everyone that has Grizzology. Watch that zone around previous day low, okay? On ES. Yeah, I think the market was wanting to go back up, but then had more news drop. It's part of it. A lot going on right now. I'm telling you, I will not take a trade today unless we confirm. No early entries. I got all my well, not all of them, but I linked all my accounts together. Everyone, I figured out a way. I'm testing it this week, and if this works, I'll share with you. Oh, it's really simple to set up too. My lead account is my personal account. Yeah, you can go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to try try take profit trader code Grizzly. I have them. I have Tradeify linked to my personal as well. I think I'm gonna do my Apex like separate. I don't want to, something happens. This trade copier messes up or something. I don't want to lose my. I don't want to lose all the Apex accounts because it's, quite costly to start them over again. So yeah, I agree, JT. I got a better setup now. What's Nvidia at? No, I'm not looking for trend trading. Oh yeah, my contracts are road. Contracts are road. Come on, give us that next supply or demand rather. Wow. Buy market, sell market works really well for this new trade copier, account copier I'm trying. I tested it and I just tried one MNQ, right? I want to see if it copied it across all my accounts. Honestly, the range is not bad. Buy market, sell market, $18 to $22 per MNQ that I opened. So when I closed it, so that's not bad, right? Pretty close. And the take profit had the best fill. That's weird, huh? Take profit had the best fill. It's 100 and something a month the one I'm trying. I'll let you all know if it's worth it once I test it a few days, okay? That way you're not wasting your money. So much less stress though. One account as opposed to trying to trade in three, much better. Now I will trade some, bull flags or bear flags if we have one form. I said that I don't know if anyone's seen my announcement, but I'm only trading supply and demand, and possibly some bear flags, bull flags, patterns, but no trend until this market straightens up for me. Yeah, before anyone tries the what I'm using, I'm gonna try to get everyone like a discount. I don't want everyone having to pay full price, so because it's 100 and something per month. No, no trades yet, other than me testing my account. For those that are still trading trend entry, if you have Grizzology, look at ES. Not something I'm personally taking, but does anyone else stand up while they trade? I stand up every morning. What's up, Brandon? Can you join? You want to join this? I don't know if you can. But if you want to, you're welcome. There you go. I swear, every time I open up in this market, every time I sell some puts, the market sells off next day. I'm just gonna stick with covered calls, I guess. I sold some puts on TSLL, and it's looks like I'm gonna get assigned if we keep selling off. Yeah, I'm watching demand, Luke. But I sold some Nvidia covered calls and they're up nice. Covered calls on Nvidia. I took a loss last week, but overall I'm up really nice off covered calls on Nvidia. Real quick, everyone, can we run up the thumbs up top, the likes? If you got a second, we're gonna catch a trade if there's one to be caught. So we're gonna do it right though. Did anyone happen to look at ES when I told you to? The Grizzology subscribers. That's right, Kareem. If nothing, I mean, even if we don't catch a trade today, today's a good day to build discipline, everyone. Building discipline is more important than not taking a trade during the day. There's no comparison. And people, overthink building discipline because how you build discipline, you basically, you have to push out the bad habits, but you just force yourself to do something continuously, and after amount of time, it's just habit, right? It's just like routine. What's up, Team Bull? I'm around, waiting on confirmation. No, we're not really. We're kind of close to a bounce. I'm watching on NQ. I'll let you all know if I take it. You can trade QQQ if you'd rather. If you're watching NQ and you'd rather trade options, you can trade QQQ. Brian, I'm looking for a dip below that 19,600 on NQ for a possible bounce. I have some demand right below that hourly level, Brian. I have Matt. I don't think you need the expensive subscription for Grisology for TradingView if you want to try it. I'm not even for sure you need one. I do know you need real time data. Um, if you purchase Grisology, be sure you join the Grisology community chat. People that that already have it are there. They've been through basically any issue you're gonna have. They can help you out. And if you can't get it set up, remember just contact WHOP.com directly. They'll walk you through it. So yeah, I agree, Johnny. I like the demand we have on ES as well. So the demand on ES, if everyone wants to write this down and watch it, um, 5658 to 5651 is the area. Oh, we got here. Sorry, I was laughing at Team Bull. We had all the admins had a fantasy league for football for the NFL, and I won. I picked every single player I had in the draft, beat them. I hope we don't bounce here. We were so close to our ES bounce. You know what I've been playing lately that I really enjoy? I haven't been betting or anything, but some poker. Yeah, it's looking like it could be a no trade day for me, but I'm gonna stick around. We do have some zones close, so definitely gonna see if we get there. So nice. This could be a lower high forming. For those that is still. Oh, hold on, Jaden's talking. What's up, Jaden?
Oh, bro, how you doing?
Good. Just trying to be patient and wait on some setups.
Yes, sir. Dre got a banger this morning.
Oh yeah, everyone's printing with them.
Disappointed I had a decent trade come up too, but I was muted. Haven't really seen a ton of movement. That downside move is nice, but sitting here looking for another one. Looking for a banger. Finding a banger for the squad.
Hadn't been getting much follow through with trend, but right after I said yesterday I wasn't trading trend anymore until we had a better trend on the hourly. Here it prints today, so. Real quick, YouTube, I want to say something that is probably going to help you out.
Isn't that crazy how that works, Sniper? You try to lose money, you end up making more.
If you go to your trading view chart, top right corner, there should be an octagon. Click it, click on symbol, and make sure you have adjust for contract change and electronic trading hours on. If you're trading, if you're looking, you have to have the NQ chart up to do it. So, but that's what you want. You around this morning, Savage, or no? Savage, he had a bad headache. All right. Savage, yeah, he's in calls. No trades for me though. I don't like calls here yet. Personally, they may print, but it's just we're just not. Looks to me like we're gonna make a lower high here and continue on down. Just reading price action. Not confident enough to take a trade based off that, but just what it looks like to me. So there should be like a little octagon top right. Let's see if I can just show you all real quick. See the octagon? Click there. Symbol. You want to have this checked and electronic trading hours on. You have to have the NQ chart up, Bradley. NQ chart. If you have a stock chart up, it will say something different there. I'm going to sit down, everyone. You're going to hear my desk going down, but my legs are tired. I guess they're tired of holding up 200 pounds of man, I guess. You can hear it? Yeah. Craig, get out here with that. You made me laugh. There you go, Ryan. For those that was looking for that trend entry with Grizzology on ES, you got that 50% retracement if you caught it on the confirmation candle. If you was looking for your entry, right at that 50%. Telling you, man, Perkins, nothing good happens after 10 p.m. Go to bed, get some rest. I would love to Hold on, I gotta reply to something. You can try shorts. Right here should have been your entry on that retracement. Right there would have been your exact entry. I'm not trying it. Like I said, I'm just talking. I want demand only. I mean, if you're trading trend, what do you all see there? Why would tell me why would you enter there? If you're trying to enter off a lower high, pushed up, had to sell back off. This is your candle. A little bit of risk on this. You want to wait on you want to wait on a retracement for your short entry, your stop above this. Excuse me. No, I'm not anything, Brian. If we can form a bear flag, I'll trade it with you all. Bear flags and supply and demand. Or bull flag, bear flag, supply and demand's all I'm trading. Well, that aged well. You always want to sell either, you always want to trim at low a day too when you take an entry like that. So you should have trimmed here, move your stop loss to your entry. What? You mean unfilled? What are you referring to, Jonas? How do I spot demand? Supply and demand. Well, my indicator charts it for us now, but I've always traded hourly, supply and demand for day trading. Just my go-to. It tends to work best. You don't get stuck there like you do bigger zones, waiting as much, and it's not too low of a time frame where it's just gonna fall right through every time. I'd be happy if we create a bear flag here. We'll see if we can trade it. See if we can catch a nice entry in it. If we do, no, for sure. Just watching still. Nothing yet. Yes, I rode my contracts over on NQ. Anyone get a good workout in this morning? Had a nice pull day at the gym. So, what should we talk about? How's everyone liking Take Profit for those that have started trading it with me? I love it so far. There's the only thing I don't like is how long it takes to pass the evals, but other than that, everything is just solid. I love the platform. It even got the exact fields on my copy trader. No other platform had exact fields like it did. I don't know if it's just a copy trader or what that's about. If you're interested in trying, get five. If you want 5 accounts like I have, go to grizzlytrades.com use code Grizzly. You'll see it there. I have the three ones that I'm gonna use or I'm using, and I kind of have what I like about them in the description. So honestly, I'm very impressed with them. Just make sure you use the code though, or you don't get the discount. A lot of people mess up and don't use the code and end up paying more than they should. It doesn't make a difference to me. I mean, if you use my link, it doesn't matter. But I'm just telling you that so you don't miss. Uh, don't get charged extra, especially when you use Apex. The code for Apex goes a long ways. The Francis, they charge you for the evals, but once you pass the evals, there's no activation fee. That's all you pay. What you paid in the beginning. And you can reach payouts from day one. Looks like we're trying to have a reversal here, everyone. We'll see. Looks as though we found some supply or some demand here. Trying to form a new zone. Tradovate for sure. Yeah, I agree with you. Call me Jay. The pre-market session's been solid. Greg had a massive trade this morning inside Team Pool. Massive. I'm about ready for a protein shake. Stomach's telling me it's time to eat. Nothing would make me happier than a big bear flag for him right here. Well, Jack, if you become profitable at 6 months in, you are beating most. That's impressive. Took me over 6 months. Some people get it in 6 months. It's wild. Some people can come in 6 months, they're just crushing it. Just, you really can't compare yourself to others. This is a different time frame for everyone, I feel like. See what we got going on. Come on, quit snapping to everything. Yeah, I like it on though. It's irritating sometimes, but I like to keep it on. Seeing where the top of this top of this pattern is going to be. It may not be a bear flag. We'll see. I'm not in a trade. I'm just preparing, watching. Ideally, we do form a bearish pattern here, and we catch a short entry. Let's see what happens. No pattern yet. I'm just watching. The only way I like longs, everyone, if we reclaim this blue line. Even then, I'm going to be a little hesitant. We'll see. Or if we push down to this demand. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I'm here. Texting GD right now. I'm all about the fishing trips. Let's go. This is not a. I'm just watching for a possible flag pattern here. It's kind of a weird price action right now. So one thing we do have is this small trend at the bottom on the 5 minute. I do not, JT, but I may start using it a little more. Um, I think the evals may be monthly until you pass them, Perkins. One day. Been off my game for one day. It's all right. We're up very nice this year. We're gonna catch a trade when we have a setup. Bear flag forming, everyone. Get ready. Watching this bear flag break on NQ right now, everyone. Watch it. 5 minute. I'm in. Shorts, NQ short. Right there. I'm actually trading MNQ, everyone, but you can trade NQ. I mentioned that earlier. Oh. Push down, quit playing. I'd love to get low a day out of this. I will trim before that though. We're right at my entry now, everyone. If it gets back inside this flag, I may get out. We shall see. Still in as of now. $9,683 is my average. I'd like to see a nice push. $20-point trim, everyone. Trim 20 points profit. And that's how you make a bag. Patience. Keep pushing down. Low days where we trim again. Your stop should be at your entry now. This should be a nice green trade regardless. Anybody happen to take that trade with me making some money? Just give me a W real quick while we let these rest of our position make us more money. Remember, I don't really trim my evals, so completely out of it on my evals of this trade. My personal account still has position open. Low a day, we'll trim again, everyone. Right here, that 635 area. We traded that flag perfectly, everyone. Even if it does hit our entry, we had a good trade there. All right, trade's over for me. It still could continue down, but I'm managing my trades like I always do. Stops at entry once I trim. That one took a little patience, but we made some money. Let's see if we can't do the same thing again tomorrow. All right, YouTube, that is it for me today. Took some patience, but we did make some money. And it was a really nice setup. We had a valid entry. We didn't chase. We didn't, force trades. Waited on this one trade and we caught it. So. Code Grizzly. Just go to grizzlytrades.com. You can just click on take profit there. Use code Grizzly. 5 accounts total. See how I retested that flag even from the bottom? JT, either do the 50K or the 150K. It's up to you. I have the 50Ks. Appreciate you all. I'll see you in the morning, okay?